results cia KCPE cioka turari na candidates 72 na nitwahota kunyita 400 over 400 marks twana 22 na kana kamwe iso kauma na 334. Otherwise that is the way we have performed. Wambere ouma na magana mana ma 22 na kamwe iso kauma na magana matatu ma 34 na ithathatu 336
tu wa marks iria Ngai atubea muthenya umuthi na makiria ni undu wa cianire ibotete ona kubituka na kunyita marks 417 igiri na tugacokeria Ngai ngatho ni undu wa undu ucio. Ratanyite ciana ni koretu igika wega ona makiria mogu ciikite umuthi ona ni tura expect performance njega gukira ugu mekite but ni turacokia ngatho ni undu wa marks iria marabotire kunyita.
Here Skylight Academy, and I attained 417 marks in the national examinations, and I'm very happy to have attained those marks. I've achieved my dream and my target, and I thank God for that. My dream school is Kenya High. I would like to go there. I would like to become a pilot in future. Actually, I would say that it's motivation from my teachers and my parents, and I thank them for their support. But most of all, I would like to thank God for His blessings and His favor upon me, because I'd say that most of it is by His grace.
I have achieved 417 marks in the national examination, and my dream school is Alliance High School, and I'm hoping to join there. And first of all, I would like to thank God for what He has done. I can really say that I've seen his work, and second, I like to thank my teachers and parents for the support, because